A lot of our higher ups, unfortunately, don't provide us with a space to be realistic in expectations. So some people are taking on more than they can handle, and then it's putting them in deep water or fire. And they're the people who are actually doing the work, the engineers, the coders, the QAs. Here's the example. Um, and realistically, it may not be able to happen, or we might need more time. And sometimes our higher ups are not listening to that. So they feel like, okay, maybe we don't need more time, we just need more resources. I think that if our higher ups or stakeholders in this case could be or put themselves in the shoe of the people actually putting the software together, it would help them understand that, hey, we need to listen to our folks. So that way, not only are we delivering software to our end user group that's going to be efficient, that we're doing it in a way where we're not breaking things and having to spend more money or more resources to get that done. Like if I've articulated that, hey, something isn't going well, but I don't have anything to back up, obviously people are gonna be like, well, you're just talking. But if you are a good project manager and you do have metrics, you do have data, you do have specific um examples of why something doesn't go well, I think higher ups or stakeholders, they're a little bit more understanding. It has to have some sort of evidence or metrics behind it. And I think you get a different type of protection when you have backup or resources to provide versus just saying it and then you had nothing. So I think documentation is key as much as possible. Even something as simple as documenting the day, the time, the meeting in which you told them that this is not going to go well and they ignored you. I think that goes a long way as well. But it should protect you versus someone who's not documenting, managing well, communicating well. So I think if you can, it took me a few years into my role to learn that documentation for your own protection is very important. So yeah, I'll just say documentation and evidence and metrics to back up your statements.
Make sure, and I tell anybody that's even new to the field, make sure you email, make sure it's documented, because if it's not documented, then
Yeah.
the manager gonna come to you like, "Why is it not done?" Or Jira's good, and that's why I understand. I'm no more understanding now.